As in, does it? Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This is going to be a short and quick video on MetaMask tips. So a lot of people complained about losing their funds when they have some problem with MetaMask. So they just uninstall the extension or the application from their mobile, and then when they recover it using their secret seed phrase, they don't get their funds back. So let's see what we can do about it. So first and foremost, it always tells you to not share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, and they always tell you to keep it secure in a secret place. Okay, so if you're like most people, you would have created another account from here. Let's say you created another account for Ethereum transactions. So let's name it ETH and create. So you have one account on the Binance Smart Chain which you will use for BNB, and let's say you have another that you'll use on the Ethereum mainnet for Ethereum transactions. So what you don't know is when you create another account from here, the seed phrase you get while creating your account is only connected to the first or the primary account. If you by mistake or for any reason uninstall the Chrome extension, let's say your MetaMask is having some problems, so you just uninstall the extension or reset your account. So if you reset it using the recovery seed phrase, it will only restore this account, this primary account, and it will not restore the second one. So what you need to do for every account you create is go to the settings, go to account details, and export this private key. Click here and type in your password. And you need to export this private key. You click here and copy it and paste it somewhere safe. So they have a warning, never disclose this key. Anyone with your private keys can steal any assets held in your account. So this key is really important and you need to keep it safe. So we have done it for first account. Let's do it for second one also. So go to the second account, go to account details and export private key. Enter your password and copy and save it somewhere safe. Okay, so this was the one tip that everyone must do if you're using MetaMask. So let's now talk about what other things you can do to keep your MetaMask safe. So this video was possible because of our Discord. So Kunal sir, as you all know him by the name Crypto Saga, called us in a Discord session and explained all these steps to us to keep our accounts safe. Thanks to him, and join the Discord server, the Crypto Saga server, if you don't want to miss such things in the future. And we recently had a giveaway of Tezos. It was free for all, so it was fun. So join the Discord, the link will be in the description. So let's talk about the tips. First we'll go on the hardware part. So the first tip would be use a Mac if you have it. So it's not that Windows is not safe, but it really depends on how you use it. If you go to like every suspicious site, like you use cracked softwares and stuff like that, you might get some virus onto your system or which might withdraw funds from your wallet. The second thing would be use a separate PC if possible. If you have like an old PC or a laptop at home, you can use it also for all your MetaMask transactions, as it doesn't require so much specs. The third thing would be use MetaMask on your phone and connect it to websites from there. So on WazirX, you can connect your MetaMask from the phone also. So if you don't have it on the Chrome, you can connect it from your phone. Again, the same thing implies like Windows. If you use your phone to visit malicious websites or install cracked softwares and stuff like that, it's better to not install MetaMask on your phone. The fourth and the best tip would be store your funds into a hardware wallet. So you can get Ledger wallets and you can store all your funds in there. Don't buy Ledger wallets from unofficial websites or giveaways or secondary market. Always buy it from their official website, as the one you buy from unofficial websites or secondary market might be pre-programmed and the sender might have access to the original seed phrase of the wallet. Then you'll lose all your funds from the wallet. Okay, that was for the hardware part of the video. The next part would be some general tips regarding the software. So have an antivirus. The Windows Defender is pretty good, but you can add another layer of security by having a good antivirus. Second would be use licensed softwares. So if you're using a lot of unlicensed softwares or cracked versions, they might have some virus in it and it might crawl your system for the secret codes. Third thing would be on the latest Chrome, you can have like different Google profiles. So if you log in to Chrome using different Google IDs, it sets up different profiles for you. So on the profile you use Metamask. Avoid any unnecessary Chrome extensions other than Metamask. You can keep other extensions in your Chrome on other profiles, but for the one you use for Metamask, keep it only to Metamask. You can also use a separate browser for browsing purposes, like you can use Chrome with Metamask for your crypto transactions, and you can browse the web on, say, Mozilla or Brave. Brave also supports Metamask, by the way, so you can also install it there, but most people use it on Chrome. So you can decide what to use, either Brave or the Chrome. The next thing would be when you visit a website where you link your wallet, always check it. Like, does it have the SSL security or is it secured? So whenever you visit a site, visit authentic platforms and websites. You don't want to connect your wallet to any suspicious looking website. Always double check it. Also, something you can do is just bookmark your websites, and instead of visiting the website every time by the Google search, just visit it through bookmarks. The next big thing would be there are a lot of free airdrops happening these days, but there was an article about it also, that how people are sending coded NFTs or pre-programmed NFTs which they airdrop to your account, and if you receive it and you sign the transaction, you'd lose all your funds. So it's better to not interact with any such NFTs if you're not sure about it. Next thing would be if you have any problem with MetaMask, don't reach out to people on social media because they can just ask you your seed phrase and then you might be in trouble. So I think that was it for the video. So just to recap, export private keys from all your accounts in MetaMask. Use a hardware wallet if you have it. Don't visit suspicious websites and try to minimize other extensions in your Chrome along with MetaMask. So that was it for the video. You can ask anything in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so this was the must thing do, as in does it